how to connect headphones to the LG Smart TV. Now what we want to do is just click on the settings button on our remote control. Now from the settings here, we will go again into the settings, so this button right here. All right, I'm just going to use the remote like this, okay? So once we have accessed the settings within the settings, then here we will go into sound, click on sound, and then here we'll select sound out. So it is going to show us some different options, so we can use a wired speaker or a wireless speaker. So for example, if we want to connect our headphones to the LG Smart TV, we'll just click on wireless speaker, and here we can use a mobile device or we can use a Bluetooth device. So I'll just click on Bluetooth, and here it's going to show us all of the different devices which we can use. So if you have wireless headphones, you'll just select them from this list, and that's how you use headphones on the LG Smart TV. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.